Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Building Velocity. Got the AMX-12 out here. We have actually already put the speed pinion in there. If you can see that, I was able to get it over that little guard, but I'm not going to put the top back on. So Joe, if you're watching, the stock pinion that I had on it was 17 tooth, and the pinion I just put in was 27 tooth from the count. I just had to count them, so it could be off a tooth, but 27 is what I counted, and I'm almost certain these are the two pinions that came with it. And if you can see that that's a fairly substantial grub screw for this little pinion, and then you put the big one on there, at least in mine, and it came with a microscopic grub screw. So I don't have a lot of faith in this grub screw. Hopefully it don't come off of there in our run. But I got to get the little guard on here on the side, and we're going to make another run with it. We made a run yesterday. Hopefully you guys have seen it already, but we did 44 miles an hour with the 17 tooth pinion in there. So we're hoping to get a bit better before we do any upgrades or change the system in it or anything like that. I got a kind of a plan for this dude. We'll see how it goes and how fast guys get. Will kind of dictate my plans, or could dictate the changes that I make to my plans anyway. So I don't have a list of guys that are signed up for the speed contest yet. I'm gonna hop on Paul's website that he created for it, and I'll try to do an update as I can outside of work and things like that, with the list of guys who have committed to the speed runs over 2025. We got plenty of time, guys. Like I said, I just made a run yesterday because I had a minute, and I was taking my Limitless out to do just a test run to see if it was going straight and everything worked and it didn't burn to the ground under its own power. So you guys check that video out if you haven't seen it. But I got cool stuff. This thing was dialed in right out of the box, guys. It went super straight. I don't have the foams on it yet, but I do have foams for it. And it's sitting on top of the system that I probably will eventually have in it here. Haven't decided what kind of connectors I want to use on the ESC, or if it's going to go in this car at all at this point. We'll see. If some of my plans go, it may be a different system. So anyhow, guys, thanks for watching. If you guys are subscribed, thank you very much. If you're not, hit that subscribe button. Leave me a like, leave me a comment. If you guys got any questions on the car, or if you want one of these cars, or see an NHL battery, anything like that, I'll have the links in the description below. And I'll try to link everything that I end up putting on the car on there as well, if you guys want to hop over and get some of that. But anyway, here's the runs, guys. Thanks for watching. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Building Velocity. Got the little AMX-12 out, guys, that Arlotto makes. We put the speed pinion in it earlier today, and we're going to see what a difference that makes. With the stock 17 in it, we got 44 miles an hour. So we're going to send it down. We got a fully charged battery. It's just a little 3S Ergenix that is 50C, I think. So it's not big, 2400 milliamps. We're going to see what she'll do, guys. Zeroed out. picking up on the car. I guess it helps to turn it on, don't it? Usually. Alright, and she was dialed last time, guys, so I haven't made any changes to it. We're just going to send her down there and see what she does. Got a couple cars coming here. Luckily I can pull this one off the road, I think.
You know why it comes in waves like that? It's a dead-end road down there. The only thing that's down there is the River Authority office or something like that. Well, it's Sunday, so I don't know. Weird.
Okay. I'll pull her back onto the road. Can't do that with a limitless. Whoa, easy. Alright guys, here we go. Gonna have to get my steering turned down on this dude too. Well, I can drive it right to me though. Alright guys. Oh gosh. Picking up on the car still. That was 57. Thought I might get a little more out of it, but that's 13 miles an hour. I think I got 44, so not bad. Pushing up on 60, guys. Pushing up on 60. Got some changes coming up on this little dude, so stay tuned. We'll put that one up on the board. 57. I know there's some guys out there that are faster. There's some guys out there that are gonna be faster, and there's probably some guys I'll never catch. But the whole point is for all of us to get together, learn some stuff from each other, hopefully, and just have a good time, guys. So those of you guys who are part of the Run to 100 for 2025 that Paul and I are putting on, we appreciate you guys participating. Anybody who has a 1/12 or 1/14 scale buggy like this, feel free to join, guys. Just put in the comments that you want to join and shoot us an email and be a part of the fun. But anyhow, guys, thanks for watching. I certainly appreciate it if you're subscribed. Thank you very much. If you're not, hit the subscribe button down below, guys. Leave me a like and a comment, and check the links. You can pick up one of these cars at our Larlo or any parts you need for it. Get you a CNHL battery. Anyhow, guys, y'all have an awesome day, and we'll see you in the next one.